Better days are coming. If you've been in a season of darkness, read Matthew 27:45 through 66. When Jesus died, the earth shook and the rocks broke. The temple curtain was torn in two. After his death came the resurrection, and there was great joy. But before that, darkness. Darkness on the land and deep sadness. Sometimes we don't understand why we go through periods of darkness until we're on the other side of it. Later on, it all makes sense, but at the time, it feels so hopeless. However, Jesus is always helping us. He will bring you through this difficult period of time. You can count on Him because He is faithful. I pray that God comforts your heart and brings peace to your situation. Matthew 27 says, when the centurion and those who were with him, keeping watch over Jesus, saw the earthquake and what took place, they were filled with awe and said, truly, this was the Son of God. Our trials are only temporary. God will bring you through this difficult time just as He has done, time and time again. Read Matthew 28 today. Spend time with Jesus and talk to Him. Tell Him your worries and ask for comfort.